This quick video is about how to set Google as default search engine on iPhone. Okay, let's see that. First, open Settings. Now scroll down and open Safari. And here you can see this option Search Engine. Touch that. Now here you need to choose the search engine you want. In this case we need Google. So tap on Google. Then back. Again back. Now open Google Chrome. And open this default browser app. Here also change this to Chrome. That's it. After this, Google will operate as a default search engine on your iPhone. I hope this video helps. If it really helps means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.